Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo again with the same good story, good news, everything in one. Anyway, today I want to do a chili con carne wrap, and hopefully you guys will like the recipe. Please subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. Got 250 grams of bolognese meat right here, and also some white onion, some chopped garlic right here, which we're going to be using, and I have some red kidney bean, which we're going to put in it to make the lovely chili con carne wrap. Enjoy the recipe, guys. Coconut oil, which I already made earlier. I'm gonna just put a little bit of my coconut oil. I said something, guys, I'm gonna make about some more coconut oil because I didn't make a lot this time, so I want to make a lot of coconut this time, coconut oil, to show my fans. Right here we have one small chopped white onion, garlic, and I want to say coconut oil is more healthy to use when you're cooking with anything else, and that's the way Chef Ricardo will start the show now. Put a little bit more of my coconut oil in it. I love my coconut oil, I use it on my skin and it's just perfect. Just to get that lovely flavor from the garlic. You can smell that nice lovely scent from the coconut and the garlic and the white onion. 250 grams of bolognese meat, all good British beef. So I'll take it off in the frying pan like that. And then what we're going to do is put some mixed herb, a little bit of ghost pepper, and then a little bit of all-purpose season, some smoked paprika, give it a lovely stir. The beauty is I'm going to be putting a little bit of cinnamon inside of it to bring in a lovely flavor to it. So I'm going to saute this up, make it cook for about 5 more minutes. As you can see, it's been fried up. Now what we're going to do is add a little bit of ketchup. You don't have to add ketchup in here. Give it a lovely stir. We're gonna chop, we got some bolognese pasta sauce, which I'm going to be chopping straight inside of it like this. Give it a lovely stir. This one. Then we're going to be adding some red kidney bean to it. This is my original red kidney bean which I cooked earlier. I'm just gonna be adding some to it. Give it a lovely stir. A little bit too much red kidney bean, but it's fine. Chili con carne. Got some chopped coriander now. We'll put some chopped coriander in it. Lovely and nice. Just rinse up my buckle. Put that in it. Lovely. And on that red kidney bean is really good for you. Got a lot of benefit also, guys. So enjoy the tips and the ideas, alright? Leave that for about 5 more minutes and make it cook down. Why you can't freeze it back? No, do it. It's fine. It's red kidney bean. Right. It's chili con carne, but I have a little bit of sweet chili sauce, which I'm just going to be adding to it like this. Not too much. And we don't want it to be too sweet. Nice one. Add a little bit more cinnamon. I'll tell you something, guys. A lot of people doesn't know that cinnamon is good for cooking. So add a little bit more cinnamon to it and give it a stir. Cinnamon bring out a lovely flavor in your chili con carne when you're cooking it. So you can give that a try, guys, at home, alright? And the red kidney bean which I put in it is me cook that one. And you know, I'll just use it. Let's give it a taste now. Yeah, really nice. So allow that bit to cook down for about 10 minutes. Lovely. So basically, this is it right here. Now this is finished. Alright, I'm gonna show you. First of all, you should make it cool down first before you can do your wrap. But hopefully it doesn't give me any problem. I'm gonna try and do a wrap to show you guys. Alright, so right here I have a wrap. And all I'm going to do, but as I say, it need to cool down first. But I just want to show you guys what you can do. Wrap it just like this. Alright. First thing, go and then fold it and fold it and fold it just like this. And put it on a piece of a greaseproof paper like this. And as I said, you can use your favorite wrapper you like to use. Alright, please use your favorite wrap where you love to use at home to do your stuff. Alright, put a little bit in it just like this. Fold it and fold it just like this and just like this. Put it on like this. So we're going to do two to show you. You don't have to, but you can simple sprinkle a little bit of cheese on top of it like this. A little bit of cheese on top of it like this. Alright. And after you do that, next thing, then get a piece of foil. foil it like this. Alright? And put it in your oven for about 10 minutes. Gas mark 7 or 8 is good if you use a different kind of oven like electric oven 165 for 10 minutes. That's pretty good. Alright guys, enjoy the recipe. Chili con carne wrap. Nice and lovely. So I just take off the foil. So when you take off the foil, you need to put it back inside of the oven for another roughly for 5 to 4 more minutes and make it bake. Alright guys, enjoy it. Nice and lovely. Just take it from the oven and this is exactly what I'm talking about here. Chili con carne wrap. Lovely and nice. Let's put them on those guys. It's just amazing. So you can do this at home. You know what I mean? You can have this for lunch or your dinner. Whatever you like to have it. It is chili con carne wrap, guys. It's just amazing recipe. Subscribe, leave a comments below, and thank you so much for tuning in to my show. See you next time. Nice as you can see. So basically, cut it into half and make you guys see exactly what I'm talking about. Look at that. That is beautiful and really nice. So enjoy the recipe and please subscribe to the YouTube channel, guys. You guys a lot more recipe coming out for you. As you can see, you can put cheese inside of it if you like. Whatever you think you like, you want to put inside of it, you can put. Quick recipe where you can make at home. Alright, enjoy it.